one is to sync shipping status to Shopify from Google Sheets. So let's start with the first one. As you can see, so the first step is the order create. So whenever there's an order, new order created, and the values like the customer name, customer email, customer order items data will be synced to a Google Sheet. So I've already created a Google Sheet here, and the last order number was on row 5 now. Okay. And then now I would like to demonstrate you an order. So I just created an order, but I haven't marked it as a paid. So you can see I already make the draft order with the order item, and then with the customer name, email, phone number, and her address. So now I will mark as paid, create order. Okay, let's go back to the Google Sheet. And the data shall be synced to the sheet automatically. So here we go. The new data is on row 6. So I haven't added the column of the product order product. So if you want, we can add it on as well. So next step, as I mentioned, we would do the how to sync the shipping status back to the Shopify from Google Sheet. So as a dropshipper, if you basically share this sheet, you can share this sheet with your dropshipping agent so that you don't have to share the access of your back end. And then whenever they have prepared with the order, they can write down the number of shipping tracking code, like okay, I just make up a number, USPS, and now I say ship. Okay, and back to our another workflow. The second workflow will be triggered with the time, and then I should change the time trigger now. So if you're doing this regularly, you can change it to like every day or every week. Because I'm doing a demonstration, I would set the time to a specific time. Now it's 46. My time now is 45. So I'll give 1 minute and publish it. Just wait for a moment, and then let's go back to the backend. So as you can see, the order is not fulfilled yet, and when the time is 46, it should be updated to fulfill with the tracking code as well. Okay, it's 46 now. Let's go. Okay, here we go. So the status is updated now. Same as the Google Sheet. It was the shipping status was shipped, and now it's set updated. So in this way, as a dropshipper, you can communicate with your dropshipping agent with a Google Sheet, but you don't have to subscribe with other tools or ERP system. It's easier for you to manage all the tools on a simple Google Sheet. So that's all for the demonstration today. If you've got any question, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.